Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Pinoy Transporter. I'm here right now at St. Luke's Medical Center here at BGC. Pila po ako, naghihintay ako ng pasahero. As you can see, I was blocking the way here right now. This is supposed to be our parking area as far as taxi stand is concerned. But right now, a lot of luxury cars are being parked here. Bakit kaya? Ito po ang aming taxi bay. Walang taxi, puro private cars. So what's the use of taxi bay? You will not be allowed to queue here and serve customers and patients at St. Luke's. So what's the use of the taxi stand if taxis will not be allowed to queue and wait for your customers? So you can see naka-block ang mga taxi sa kalsada dahil ang nakapila po rito ay puro private car. Actually, we taxi drivers are supposed to be your partner in your customer service. Para paglabas naman ng mga pasyente nyo, meron silang masasakyang taxi. This is your taxi waiting area. May queue number pa kayo. Pero what's the use of it kung walang nakapilang taxi? So most of the time, lalabas pa yung guardia nyo para maghanap ng taxi dun sa labas, sa kalsada, or sometimes yung mga pasyente nyo mismo ang lalabas sa kalsada. Where's the customer service? Again, taxi stand is intended for the taxi. Okay? Thank you.